Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to download Instagram Reels. Now, this is quite a straightforward and easy process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get an idea on how you can do this. Now, once you have the reel that you want to download, just click on the reel, click on it again, and click on the aeroplane button here. Once you do that, you can scroll on the right, and in the end of everything, you will see the download button. Make sure you scroll to the right. After this, just click on download. Once the download is complete, it'll say finish download. And here you go. This is the video that we downloaded. As you can see, there is always a watermark associated. So you don't own the rights to any video that you download. Make sure you contact the real owner before using it commercially. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to download Instagram Reels. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.